kitchen. Light explode. With the lights explode. So it fly up into there. Hey guys, I'm Andrew Hernandez and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this very full glam Valentine's Day look. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. So I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette and I'm going to go in with this bright pink in the corner. And I'm going to take that on an M441. So I'm just packing this on first and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. And now I'm going to go on a Morphe M51A and grab that lighter pink shade and start blending it out. You guys, I'm going to do this with my finger because the brush is just not... I need it to go up a little bit more. So when I cut the crease, it's actually... You can still see the peeling. Go ahead and blend that out softly. Okay guys, so for this halo eye, let's see here. I'm gonna start right here. And then start going to the sides. And I'm not pulling, I'm not sliding the brush for the shape. I'm tapping because you want it to be defined. And then patting this down. And once you got the... Oh.
I felt the Sharpie in my back. Ow.
Guys, it's not my fault. It's all her.
Ow. It was like a weird little, it was like a little sharp pain like that.
Ooh.
It hurt.
Now I'm going to go into this darker color. Wasn't the direction I was going for, but she's going to be cute. So I'm going in with this purplish shade. And I'm going to start blending this inward to give it that halo shape. And I'm gonna just keep doing this until I'm satisfied with the shape. I'm gonna go in with this clean brush and just make sure it's nice and blended. Okay, guys, I'm going with the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss Vaults, one of the Vaults eyeshadow palettes. And I'm going to go in with this shade called Bling Bling. Okay. I'm going to go back in and blend that out with more of that magenta shade. Sorry, Victoria. See this? I need to blend it out some more, so. Gonna go in with the best makeup wipes. These have hyaluronic acid. I'm gonna just do a little tiny liner, nothing no exaggerated. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this to the other eye off camera and we'll be right back. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation in the shade F7. Guys, I'm gonna go in with the concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C1. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and blend this out and we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a Morphe M500 and I'm gonna go in with some Laura Mercier setting powder. Look up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to contour a snatched nose. And we're gonna go, it doesn't matter if it's perfect now, but just get as much as you can on the nose because we're gonna leave it bake. So get a good amount on the nose. Okay. Oh, the way. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go in with some bronzer on a Morphe M518. Sorry. So, trick is don't contour the sides of the nose, but you want to contour on top of the nose. You're really going to want to slim up the nose with the powder. So... Okay, and now now we're just gonna do the tiniest spots on her nose where we're gonna put the highlight. Right there. If your nose contour is not looking like that, you're gonna be able to breathe, and that's not the point. Now going back in with that bronzer, I'm gonna warm up the face. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and sweep off that excess powder from underneath her eyes. And I'm gonna give her a good spray of some MAC Fix Plus. Alright, so now I'm gonna make sure, look this way, sorry, this way. I'm gonna go in and carve it out right there so it doesn't, so it looks defined when I put on the blush. Alright, that's that. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 2 Blush Palette. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Lena and Zoba. That's enough. Don't want to overdo it, because I will keep going. Now, for the showstopper of it all, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place highlighter. This is the Volume 3. Like, wow, blown away. It's just so pretty, 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 pretty. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with my finger on the nose. Right on the tip. That's what she said. Look at me. Look straight ahead so they can see the boom, the Blend it out. Blend up. Wow, you look wet. Some on the brow bone. Close your eyes. Just wow. Hold on, I need to go see this in the camera. Going back in with this light pink shade. I'm just taking that underneath the eyes. And I'm gonna go in just a teensy weensy with that. Mix these two, the bright pink and the regular pink. I'm gonna add some inner corner highlights. Some eyebrow gel. Some last setting spray.
I want to get color contacts too. That'd be so cool.
Be careful, Victoria. Oh, I told you to be careful, Victoria. I want to go ahead and pop the blue contacts in. Okay guys, so this is the final Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys liked today's video. And please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe because you're already watching the video. So just go ahead and click the...
It's just a little scroll
a little
down.
ting. You guys can follow me on all of my social media links down below. They'll be in the description. And you can follow Victoria. You can follow her, but she's on a social media cleanse. So, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.